The rich get richer while the poor stay poor.
You've heard this before, right? But what if I told you, that's not just a saying, it's a mindset. Think about this. Two people start with the same job, same paycheck, same opportunities. One ends up wealthy, living life on their own terms. The other, struggling paycheck to paycheck, wondering why life is so unfair. What's the difference? The difference is how they think and act. The wealthy person understands that money is a tool, not a trap. They invest in knowledge. They take calculated risks. They build income streams that work for them, even while they sleep. Meanwhile, the struggling person? They stay stuck in the cycle. Work, spend, repeat. The fear of failure keeps them from trying. They wait for the right time that never comes. And then, they wonder why life never changes. Jim Rohn said it best. If you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. Let's talk about Mark and James, two friends with the same 9-to-5 job. Mark spends his weekends binge-watching Netflix, complaining about his boss, and spending his entire paycheck on things he doesn't need. He believes life is unfair, that the rich are just lucky. James, he's different. Instead of wasting time, he starts learning about online businesses. He takes a small percentage of his income and invests in assets. He starts a side hustle, reinvesting every dollar he makes. A few years later, James has multiple income streams. He quits his 9-to-5 and builds a life of freedom. Mark? He's still complaining, still struggling, still waiting for things to get better. Which one are you? Robert Kiyosaki said it clearly. The poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you're in a trap. You need to build passive income. You need to escape the rat race. If you want financial freedom, do these 3 things. Number 1, stop trading all your time for money. Start building income streams. Number 2, invest in skills that make you more valuable. Number 3, surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. If you want to learn how to implement these 3 things in your life, check my other videos. Success is simple, but it's not easy. Most people won't do what it takes. They'll keep making excuses. They'll keep waiting. But winners? Winners take action. Wake up, take control. Start building your success now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press that subscribe button for more success